be going over a GFI outlet and how to reset them correctly. Right now we have our drill plugged into the outlet, and with our green LED light on here, it lets us know that we do have power coming into the outlet, but our drill charger will not get any juice here. So what we want to do is we can pull the plug out here, and then our reset button here, just want to go ahead and slightly press that in, and if we plug back in our charger here, we should have power. And yes indeed, we now have power to our outlet. So this is how you reset a GFI outlet to get your small appliances, phone chargers, that kind of stuff going back again. Thank you.